children. My name is Jyoti. I am working as a teacher in Sri Chaitanya School. Today I am going to teach you an EVS subject. Our lesson name is inside our body. Our body is made up of many parts. These parts are divided into three types. The first one is sense organs. Second one is external parts. Third one is internal parts. First I will teach you sense organs. See, sense organs means eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These parts are called sense organs. Next one is external parts. These parts we can see. External parts, we can see these parts. See children, this is human body picture. In this picture we can see these parts, yes or no? These are external parts. See, this is ear, nose, mouth, chin, forehead, eye, cheek, teeth, chest, tongue, skin, arm, wrist, hand, knee, thigh, leg, toe, foot. These all are external parts. Because these parts we can see. Yes or no? We can see our eyes, we can see our nose, we can see our mouth, head, legs, fingers, everything we can see. So these parts are called external parts. Next, third one is internal parts. Internal parts means inside our body. These parts are located inside our body. These parts we can't see. Yes or no? We can't see. Those are, first one is brain, food pipe, stomach and intestines. Third one is windpipe and lungs. Fourth one is heart. Fifth one is kidney. Sixth one is bones and muscles. First I will teach you about the brain. Where is our brain located, children? The brain is inside our head. It is the most complex organ in the body and it controls our feelings, emotions, all. This is the important part of in our body. It helps us eyes to see, mouth to talk, tongue to taste, ears to hear. Yes. Next one is food pipe, stomach and intestines. Where does the food goes from the mouth? The food we eat daily, we are eating different types of food. Yes or no? We will eat in the morning breakfast, afternoon lunch and in the evening snacks and in the night we eat dinner. Yes or no? Where did that food goes? You know? The food we eat the food we eat from the mouth. The food goes into the tube called the food pipe. The food pipe takes the food into the stomach. The stomach turns the food into the fine paste. In our stomach down there are two types of intestines are there. One is small intestines and second one is large intestines. Next one is windpipe and lungs. We breathe air or no? Yes. All the human beings, we can breathe the air. If we can't breathe the air means we not live. So we breathe in air through the nose. Yes or no? We breathe the air. Just breathe the air, children. Yes or no? We breathe the air through the nose. The air then goes into the windpipe. From the windpipe, the air goes into the lungs. As a human body, humans has two lungs. How many lungs we have? Two lungs. Next one is heart. Where did the heart located? Here. Yes or no? The human heart is an organ that pumps blood whole the body. It works when you are sleeping, reading, running, jumping, playing, It can't stop. It is running. It works like a pump. It works like a pump. The blood has red blood cells. Why the blood is in red color? Do you know, children? You don't know? These cells have hemoglobin, which is called red. The hemoglobin gives blood is in red color. Okay. Next one is kidneys. As a human body, we have two kidneys. These kidneys are in bean's shape. What is the shape of kidneys? Bean shape. Organs in the renal system. They help the body pass waste as urine. They also help filter blood before sending it back to the heart. Next one is bones and muscles. As a human body, we have 206 bones. As an adult, we have 206 bones are there in our body. Bones give shape to the body, and also bones protect our internal body parts. Beside bones, there are muscles inside the body. The skin, muscles and bones give shape to the body. Okay, children? Once again, I recall the lesson. How many parts are there? I divided into three parts. One is sense organs, second one is external organs, third one is internal organs. What are sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are sense organs. What are external organs? I already shown a picture. Yes or no? We can see those parts. Those parts are called external organs. Internal organs means, and internal parts means we can see those parts. Those are already I told you: eyes, nose, ears, fingers, head, legs, knees, arms, shoulders. These are external parts. Next one, internal parts. Already I explained. This is the picture of external parts. See children, this is the brain picture. Where is our brain located? Inside our head. This is the windpipe. This is the food pipe. Food pipe. The food we eat goes into the food pipe. Next one. This is the heart. What is the heart sound? Lub dub lub dub. Yes or no? This heart pumps the blood whole body. Next, these are the muscles. Next, these are lungs. How many lungs we have? 2. Next, this is bones. These are bones. And this is liver. This is liver. And this is stomach. And these are kidneys. And these are intestines. And this is urinary bladder. See once this picture, children. Okay. Now I will ask some questions. What are sense organs? Tell me, children. Yes, eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Good. What are external parts? Eyes, nose, ears, shoulder, legs, hands, stomach, fingers. These are external parts. Very good. What are internal parts? Internal parts means inside our body. First think and say inside. What parts inside your body? Inside your head, what is there? Brain, heart, stomach, lungs, kidneys, bones, muscles. These are. Okay, children. Thank you so much. Thank you, children. Bye. Take care.